Welcome to our factory. Today I'll show you exactly how chocolate is made. From cocoa beans to the smooth chocolate you love. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes tours.
The process begins on cocoa farms where ripe cocoa pods are harvested by hand. Inside each pod are cocoa beans, the key ingredient for chocolate and cocoa beverages. After harvest, the beans must be fermented to develop their chocolate flavor. They're placed in wooden boxes, covered with banana leaves, and left for several days. Then the beans are sun-dried to reduce moisture and prepare them for industrial processing. Once the beans arrive at the factory, they go through rigorous cleaning and sorting. Stones, dust, and broken shells are removed to ensure purity. The beans are then roasted at controlled temperatures, bringing out the rich cocoa aroma and killing any bacteria. Winnowed? This separates the outer shell from the inner nib, the pure cocoa heart. The nibs are ground into a thick paste called cocoa liquor. Despite the name, it contains no alcohol, just pure cocoa solids and cocoa butter. Precision is key. Every variable is monitored to maintain consistency. Sugar and milk are added, then refined until the particles become incredibly smooth. Conking enhances flavor and removes unwanted acidity. Tempering gives chocolate its shine, snap, and smooth texture. Every piece is inspected before it reaches consumers. To make cocoa beverage powder, the cocoa liquor is pressed under high pressure. This separates the fat, known as cocoa butter, from the solid mass. The solid part is dried and milled into fine cocoa powder. Now, the beverage formula is created. The cocoa powder is blended with other ingredients such as sugar, malt extract, vitamins, milk powder, or stabilizers, depending on the brand. High-speed blenders ensure the mix is smooth, uniform, and ready for instant dissolution. The finished cocoa beverage is transferred to automated filling lines. Robotic machines fill pouches, tins, or sachets with precise amounts. Each package is sealed to protect freshness and flavor. Labels are applied with batch numbers for traceability. Quality control teams test every batch. They check solubility, taste, moisture levels, aroma, and microbial safety. If a batch doesn't meet standards, it doesn't leave the factory. Once approved, the finished product is packed into cartons and moved to climate-controlled warehouses. From here, shipments travel worldwide, ready for supermarkets, stores, and homes. And that's how your favorite cocoa beverage and chocolates is made. A journey from farms through science, a blend of tradition, technology, and care.